guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week's CVS haul. Thank you all for joining me once again. I don't think I always mention this in my video, but every video I do, I always leave a link to the Google Doc of all the transactions that I posted. So make sure you're checking my description box and also the comment section. For my first transaction, I'll be using a 10 off of 17 next purchase CRT that printed at the end of my receipt. And I'll be adding 4 deals with it. So let's go see what deals I'll be picking up. The first deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Cottonelle or Viva paper towel. It's on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back and it's on sale for $10.49. But I'll be picking up 2 Cottonelle. Both of them will come up to $20.98. I only have a $1 digital coupon, and also on coupons.com you can submit and get $1 back for the one that you don't have any coupon on. By itself, I'll be paying $19.98, getting my $5 back, making both items $14.98 or $7.49 each. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Shopkick. It's on sale for $6.99, and when you spend $15, you get $5 back. To be able to get to $15, I'll be picking up 3, and I have 2 $4 off of 1 digital coupon. And I also went on coupons.com and I printed out 1. By itself, I'll be paying $8.97 after the coupons come off, and I'll get $5 back, making all 3 of them just $3.97 or $1.37 each. Next deal I'll be adding to this will be on the CoverGirl. It's on the deal of buy 2, you get $6 back. I'll pick up 2 of the brow pencil priced at $5.79 each. Both of them will come up to $11.58, and I'll be using 2 of the $3 coupon from 2 savings sets. That will bring it down to $5.58. I will pay that and get $6 back, making both items free and a 42-cent money maker. The last deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the spend 20, you get $10 back on any Aquaphor or Eucerin. I'll pick up 3 of the original healing lotion, 5 floor ounces, priced at $7.29 each. And I'll use a $3 coupon from 129 savings set. I'll be using 3 of those. After the $9 come off, I'll end up paying just $12.87, and I'll get $10 back, making all 3 of them $2.87 or 96 cents each. These are all the items I'll be picking up in this transaction using the 10 off of 17 next purchase CRT. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt, and these are all the items I picked up. All my coupons worked out fine, both the paper and the app coupons. Everything came off as expected. I ended up using $33 extra care box, paid $4.40 out of pocket, and I got back $10 for spending $20 for the Eucerin. Got back $5 for buying 2 of the Cottonelle. Got back another $5 for spending $15 for the Shopkick. And I got back $6 for buying 2 of the CoverGirl. This whole transaction ended up being just $11.40 or $1.14 each. Next deal I'll be doing will be on the Got to Be hair color. It's on sale for 2 for $24, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. I'll be picking up 2. In our 129 savings set, there is a 7 off of 2 coupon there that I'll be using for this. That's the coupon right here. And we also received another 7 off of 2 in our app today. Both of them will double dip and take up $14. I also received another 5 off of 20 hair care CRT in my email that will also apply to this. When all the coupons and CRT apply, I'll end up paying just $5 and I'll get $4 back. And we also have an Ibotta Rebate, so check yours and make sure you have one as well. That will give $3 back on each one of them. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt and it worked out very well. Both coupons double dipped and my 5 off of 20 also applied. I ended up using $4 extra care box, paid 1 out of pocket, and I got my $4 back. And I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $3 on each one of them, a total of $6, making this whole transaction free and a $5 money maker. The next deal I'll be picking up will be the spend 30 get 10 or spend 45 get 15. This deal does not track and it does not follow the 98% rule, so make sure you're doing it in one transaction. The first item I'll pick up will be the Tide detergent, the 92 floor ounces, on sale for $12.99. And I'll pick up the Downy Unstoppable 5.5 ounces, on sale for $5.49. To be able to get to 30, I'll pick up the Downy Unstoppable 14.8 ounces, on sale for $12.99. Three of them will come up to $31.47. That's above the $30. That means I'll be getting my $10 back. This coupon I got from P&G website. I printed it this morning. Remember that it goes within 24 hours. You have to use it or it will expire. For the Tide, I'll be using a $3 digital coupon. And also for the Downy, there is a $1 digital coupon everybody received today. By itself, it will leave me to pay $24.47. Then I'll get $10 back, making all these items just $14.47. Check your Ibotta. The 14.8 ounces is giving back $5 and the 5.5 ounces is giving back $2.25. But I have another 10 off of 70 next purchase CRT that I'll be using in this transaction. And this deal is also a limit of 1. The next deal I'll be picking up in this transaction will be on the Axe body wash. It's on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. I'll pick up 2, and I'll be using a $2 coupon from the 2-5 savings set. I'll use 2 of them. That will take off $4, leaving me to pay just $5.74, and I'll get $2 back. Then I will submit my receipt to Ibotta because there is a $1.50 back on each one of them. I will also submit my receipt to Ibotta because there is a 2,000 points back when you buy 2. When all the rebates and the extra care box come off, both of them will end up being free and a $1.26 moneymaker. The next deal I'll be picking up will be a CoverGirl. It's a repeat deal because I'm using a different card. This is a limit of 1. You can only do this just one time. It's on buy 2, you get $6 back. So I'll be picking 2 of the Perfect Blend eye pencil, priced at $4.99. And I'll be using 2 of the $3 coupon from 2-5 savings set. Both of them will come up to $9.98. After the $6 come off, I will end up paying just $3.98 and I'll get $6 back, making both items free and a $2.02 moneymaker. The next deal I'll be adding will be on the spend 20 get $10 back on Aquaphor or Eucerin. I'll pick up the Eucerin Original Healing Lotion 5 floor ounces, priced at $7.29. Then I will pick up 2 of the Aquaphor Healing Ointment 0.35 ounces, priced at $6.29. I wanted to pick up 3 of the Aquaphor, but with the 3 of them, it's not going to get me to $20. That's why I added the Eucerin. And all 3 of them came up to $19.87, which is within the 98% rule. I'll be using a $3 coupon for each one of them from 129 savings set. That will bring it down to $10.87. Then I'll get $10 back, making all 3 items just 87 cents or 29 cents each. These are all the items I'm picking up in this transaction with the 10 off of 70 next purchase CRT. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt and everything worked out fine. These are all the items I picked up. All my coupons apply. The only coupon that did not apply was my $1 for the Downy Unstoppable 5.5 ounces. It didn't work because I forgot to clip it. I ended up using just $36 extra care box, paid 0 out of pocket, and I got back $10 for the spend 30 get 10, got back $2 for buying 2 of the Axe product. I got back another $6 for buying 2 of the CoverGirl, and I got back $10 for spending 20 on Aquaphor or Eucerin. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $5 for buying the 14.8 ounces Downy Unstoppable and $2.25 for the 5.5 ounces Downy Unstoppable as well. And also for the Axe, I got back $3. That's $1.50 for each one of them. I submitted my receipt to Fetch and I got back 2,000 points for buying 2 of the Axe body wash. Next transaction I did was on the General Mills cereal. It's not giving back any extra care box, but it's on sale for $1.99, which is a good price. I picked up one of the Honey Nut Cheerios and also one Lucky Charms. Everybody have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that apply to this that will take off one, leaving you to pay just $2.98. But I received a $2 CRT in my email that I used for this. I ended up paying just 98 cents out of pocket, and I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $1 for buying 2 of them. My last transaction, I picked up 2 of this Fiber One soft baked bar, priced at $1.99. It's on sale. I picked up 2, and 2 of them came up to $3.98. I have a 50-cent coupon in my app. I'm sure everybody's supposed to have that. I used $3 extra care box, paid 48 cents out of pocket, and I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got 50 cents back on each one of them. And this concludes my haul for this week. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next week. Bye-bye.